Alright, so everything was perfectly recorded, so now we can proceed. So first of all, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a check here that every time if we want to call this query, we are supposed to have a body. So in that case, so if request dot has body, so this is going to tell you yes or no. If it has a body, that's fine. We can simply proceed. Or if not, else we'll just tell the response body that query is not available. So if you guys are not able to see this properly, let me make it a bit bigger. Okay, so request body and working, it's not working here, so we'll just simply put it query not available. Okay, and here what we can do is we can simply call this executable schema. So before that we need to call in schema. So as you already know, we created a schema and we have exported it with export default. So I can simply call it here, import schema from resolver or schema.ts. We cannot just have schema, it's not JavaScript. Okay, and this will be the second query will be something that we pass into it. So query, and we need to explicitly tell it something, but here I'm just going to give it any. Okay, await, so it's supposed to be async, and query, we still don't have it. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the resolver. We can name it whatever we want, but we'll just name it query here. So export default class query, or it could be even resolver. So let's name it resolver. Okay, resolvers, and async. First of all, it's a test one, so test and const, or we'll just call it return working. And if I go into schema, I need to have a query which will be type of query. So this query will be, and this type should have test in it, and test should return a string, which we are returning as a string here. And most probably this should work, but let me see. Okay, so executable schema, what we do here is if it's having a body, then in that case what you do is you call this executable schema. So yeah, constant body equals to await request dot body, and const result equals to await executable schema. And in this one, what we are going to pass is body dot value, and response result will be body equals to result. Alright, so it's complaining about await. So let's see, await expressions only allowed with an async. So for that reason, we need to have async here as well, and this should be okay. Let's see if we have any errors. Did tell us something that new query is not there because we don't have any new query. It's supposed to be import resolvers from resolver.ts and new resolvers. So this should work without an issue, I guess. Let's see. is crashing, and it says like schema to JSON start number and to JSON is declared here, the index of 19. So in that case, what we need to do is schema, what exactly have we imported from there? So export default schema, and this is looking all right. I don't see any issue, but let me quickly take a look what exactly the issue is, and I'll see you in just a bit. Bye bye.